Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Manthi once again welcoming you all to our Standard 9 Chapter 2 discussion. In the last days, the Chapter 1 it was smoothly completed. So now it is the time to give the full emphasis on our Chapter 2. Okay. So first I want to say to you the name of the second chapter. It is our polynomial. And at the end of the second chapter, otherwise at the end of the polynomial chapter, we will learn about the introductions of the chapter, the polynomial, then after degree, term and coefficient of the polynomial chapter. Degree it is one term, then after term, what is the definition of the term, what is the definition of the coefficient, first we will learn. Then after we will do the discussion of the classification of the polynomial. Polynomial classification depending upon the number of term, also the polynomial classification depending upon the degree of the polynomial. Understood or not understood? Then after also we will do the discussion of the zero of the polynomial, and also at the end we will do the discussion of the algebraic identities. Actually, because of the pandemic spread, the remainders theorem and the factors theorems has been deducted from your syllabus. Understood or not understood? So it means within the short time period we have to complete this. Understood or not understood? So first we will do the discussion of the polynomial introduction. Before going to do the discussion of the introduction of the polynomial, few of the term it will be required. And first term which is required to discuss, it is our constant. Then after we will do the discussion of the variable. Remember the definition of the constant. Constant is the symbol which has the fixed value. It is the symbol which has the fixed value. It is called as our constant. And the example of constants are 0, 1, 2, 3, 1 by 2, root 3. All these are called as our constant. Which value it is fixed? Numeral values it is fixed. Okay, so this one it is constant, means just like our number. Okay, and then after our variable it is also the symbol. It is the symbol which has different values. Just like x, y, z. Okay, and any of the small letter you may use. Okay, that one it will represent the variable is also in the another word, it is called as your literal, because it is letter for which literal. Ready? So now we will do the discussion of the algebraic expression. First we did the discussion of the constant, then after it is our variable. Now we will do the discussion of the expression, means algebraic expression. Remember, algebraic expression it is the combination of the constant and variable with the main four algebraic operators. Main four algebraic operations, they are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is the combination. First I did the definition of the constant, then after I said the definition of the variable. Whenever constant and variables combined with each other by using the main four mathematical operations, that one it is called as our algebraic expression. Understood or not understood? So few of the example I want to show regarding the algebraic expression. First algebraic expression, it is our 2x plus y. So here it is the 2 into x, it means multiplication operation it is applied, also the addition it is also applied. 2x plus y means 2 into x, means multiplication has applied, then after plus y means addition also applied. Then after it is x plus 3, x and 3 constant and variables added with the plus sign, means addition operations. Next one, it is x divided by 3. It means variable and constant. Here it is the operation applied. It is our division. And another one, it is last one example I have given you, the 2y. 2y means it is only the multiplication operations it has applied at here. Another few of the exceptional case I am showing. Suppose it is given that 2. So 2, can I call it as the algebraic expression? So one will say that, sir, here it is only the constant it is there is no variable. So how we can call it as the algebraic expression? But the reality is 2 means no x. No x means 2 is equal to x to the power 0. 2 into x to the power 0. No x means x to the power 0. So for which this type of algebraic expression where only the numbers are there, it means variables are hidden form. So that expression we can call it as the numeral expression. Okay, and another one I am showing, suppose it is only x, and I am asking that whether this one it is the algebraic expression. So one will say that no, you said that it is the combination of the constant and variable, but here it is only the variable. So how we can call it as the algebraic expression? But I will say just like the previous one, no variable was there, but I have shown you the variable, it was in the hidden form. So here it is also in the same way, here it is the variable, it is there, but I can show you constant, it is also in the hidden form. So constant, it is in the hidden form means x into 1 also I can say, otherwise x plus 0 also I can say, otherwise x minus 0 also, it means x also I can say, otherwise x divided by 1 also I can say to you. So it means in the hidden form the constant it is there. So for which in this type of algebraic expression we can call it as the literal algebraic expression, otherwise literal expression. Ready? Thereafter we will do the discussion that what do we mean by real polynomial. Few of the algebraic expressions are I am showing, and from that algebraic expression I will show which algebraic expressions are our polynomials. Okay. See, first one, it is one of the algebraic expression, it is our 2x. Another algebraic expression, it is 2x square plus 3x. Another algebraic expression, it is our 4x plus y. Then after another algebraic expression, it is 4 by x. And the last one, it is x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5x. Ready? So first we will do the discussion which algebraic expression. Actually first algebraic expression, it is our polynomial. Second one, it is our polynomial. Third one, it is our polynomial. But last two algebraic expressions are not the polynomial. Why these are not the polynomial? That one I am going to do the discussion. Okay. See, in the first algebraic expression 2x, x to the power it is 1. X to the power 1. X means x to the power 1, which is a whole number. Which is a whole number. X to the power, it is the whole number. Okay, so for which I call this one, it is the polynomial. Now remember, then after I will say you the definition. Another polynomial, see, 2x square plus 3x. 2x square, x to the power 2 means whole, 2 means whole. Then after plus 3x, x to the power 1, it means whole number, for which it is polynomial. Next one, it is 4x plus y. 4x plus y means 4x to the power 1. X means to the power 1 and y means y to the power 1, for which power of the variable it is a whole number, for which this one it is a polynomial. Just see the last one, means next one, 4 by x. 4 by x means x it is in the denominator. Now I will write the variable in the numerator form. Numerator means 4 into x to the power minus 1. Whenever x is in the denominator, power it is 1. Whenever the denominator becomes numerator, otherwise numerator becomes denominator, the sign of the variable it is changed. So 4 by x means x to the power 1, but whenever I am making it as the numerator, it becomes x to the power minus 1, which is not a whole number. Okay. And the last one, it is x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5x. Here x to the power 1 by 2, it is not a whole number. And 5x, it is the whole number. Here it is 1, it is not a whole number. In the algebraic expression, one term having the power, it is not the whole number, for which I cannot call it as the polynomial. Also 4 by x means x to the power 4 into x to the power minus 1. Minus 1, it is not the whole number, for which I cannot call the last two it as the polynomial. So remember the definition of the polynomial. Polynomial, it is that algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, it is called as the polynomial. Which algebraic expression where the power of the variable it is whole. The algebraic expression we can call it as the polynomial if the variable power in each of the term, it will be whole always. For which one it is called as your polynomial and which one it is not called as your polynomial, you remember. Okay. Another thing you remember, all algebraic expression we cannot call it as the polynomial, but all the polynomials we can call it as the algebraic expression. Many times it is a tricky question. All algebraic expression we cannot call it as the polynomial, but all the polynomials we can call it as the algebraic expression. Ready? Then after we will do the discussion of the term. Before giving the definition of the term, I am showing you the one of the algebraic expression, otherwise polynomial. See, first expression it is x plus 2. Second expression it is 2x cube minus 3x square. Another one it is 2x. See, in the first algebraic expression, after the plus 2 is there, before the plus x is there, for which both x and 2 are called as its term. Then in the next case, 2x cube minus 3x square. Before the minus, here it is 2x cube, and after the minus also 3x square it is also there. And 3x square with the sign means minus, it is called as your minus 3x square. So for which 2x square and minus 3x square both are its two terms. Last one it is 2x. 2x, it is the single one. Before plus and after plus only the single one, 2x. So for which this one it is the one term. You just have to remember the definition of the term. Term, it is the individuals which are the after plus, otherwise before plus, otherwise after minus or before minus. along with its sign. Terms are the individuals which are after the plus, otherwise before the plus, otherwise after the minus, otherwise before the minus, along with its sign. Important thing, along with its sign. So for which second one it is, I called it as the minus 3x square. Understood or not understood? So remember the definition I said you in one way. Also one can say the definition of the term, it is in the another way. Algebraic expression means operations used, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But in this case the term definition means only the operation it will be used, our multiplication and division. Remember and the term it is the combination of the constant and variable with the operations multiplication and division. Terms are the combination of the constant and variable with the operations multiplication and division. But plain definition, remember the individuals after plus, after minus, before plus and before minus. Plain definition, remember, with its sign, along with its sign. Okay. Then after we will do the definition of the classification of the term, classification of the polynomial depending upon the term. Remember, if the algebraic expression otherwise the polynomial having a single term, if the polynomial having a single term, it is called as our monomial. If it has the two term, it is called as your binomial. Then after, if it has the three terms, it is called as your trinomial. If it has the four terms, it is called as your quadrinomial. Clear? Then after beyond 4, no shortcut name, you have to say that polynomial having 5 terms, polynomial having 10 terms, just like this. Ready? Then after we will do the discussion of the degree. What do you mean by degree? One of the example I am showing, one of the polynomial, it is 2x cube plus 4x. Here in the algebraic expression, first term having the power it is 3, 2x cube, and then one it is our 4x. 4x means power it is 1. So the highest power is 3. So for which the degree it is 3. Next one it is 2x. Only one term it is there. So which one it is the power? It is the 100% the greater one. 2x to the power 1. Here the degree it is 1. Next one it is 2 plus x square. So two terms. In the first term 2 means 2 into x to the power 0. Second one it is 3 into x square. First term having 0. Second term having the power it is 2. Highest power it is 2. Next one it is 2. 2 which is equal to 2 into constant term. Whenever constant we are getting other than 0, 2 equal to 2 into x to the power 0. So constant means other than 0, its power it will always be 0, and that one it is the single term, for which that power of that term it is also the degree, means highest term, highest power also 0. Then after 0, suppose it is 0, 0 means I can write 0 in the form of 0 into x to the power 0. 0 into x to the power 1, 0 into x to the power 2, 0 into x to the power 1 by 2, 0 into x to the power minus 1 by 2 also. Okay. So for which the degree of the 0 we cannot say, otherwise the degree of 0 it is all the real numbers. It means it is all the real numbers, remember. Degree of the 0 it is all the real numbers. Okay. So depending upon the degree how we can classify the polynomial. Remember, if the degree it is 0, just like 2, 3, 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So that type of polynomial it is called as our constant polynomial. And if the degree it is 1, we can call it as the linear polynomial. It is called as your linear polynomial. If the degree it is 2, it is called as your quadratic polynomial. If it is 3, it is called as your cubic polynomial. If it is 4, it is called as your biquadratic. Okay, remember up to this, then after it will not be required and it is beyond your course. Okay, and then after if anything is there, only you have to say it as the polynomial having the degree is 6, otherwise degree is 7. Ready? Then after 0, for the particular 0 I am saying that 0, here it is the degree of the 0, it is all real number, for which 0 it is called as your 0 polynomial. Don't say that this 0 it is the constant polynomial, 0 it is the 0 polynomial. Okay, so whatever the thing I have taught to you, everything you have to remember. Okay, so in the coming days, means in my next class, we will do the discussion of all these things in our first exercise. Okay, so till that day, thank you and bye bye. Have a nice day.